You'll notice that right forearm is going to come to that right thigh, and maybe the right hand comes all the way to the mat and the fingers are in line with the toes, but it really just depends on you here. Not everybody's going to hit it the same. Good. Marina's got the fist down, Jed's got it, or Zeb has got his ankle. We're good for 1, 2. Think of reaching from the fingertips and then pulling the shoulder back, and you'll feel that opposing opposites. For 3, the whole arm's active now. You're like concrete. 4, keep the breath moving, keep the eyes steady, so stay with the gaze. 1 more breath in, exhale fully and completely. Inhale up, arms come back to a T. Rotate the feet as you exhale, left forearm to left thigh. Right arm forward and over the ear. Perfect. Good. And you notice kind of that windmill that Marina's doing there. That really makes sure that the tricep is right over the ear. It's a really good. And just think of rotating this torso so the heart opens. For 1. I know I'm a little behind. I'll count fast. 3. Good. Breath in, breath out. 4. 1 more breath in, 1 more breath out. 5, inhale up, arms to a T. Exhale, step to the top of the mat, Samasthiti. So as we come into Prasarita Padottanasana A, as you inhale, step back, think of bringing the hands to the hips, and go ahead and check your feet. Make sure they're about where you want them. I always say turn the toes in and the heels out, but you'll kind of find your place there. As you inhale, look up. As you exhale for A, think fingers in line with toes. Now we'll go through B, C, and D, so you'll get a lot of options. And then kind of think of working the forehead towards the ground. Let me see where Marina ends up here. I love to give this assist, depending on where, there we go. She's wiggled in there. And since she's so far into the posture, I'm just going to secure and just assist her for a while. How do you feel? Good? 2, 3. You notice I'm just able to be an architecture for her. 4. So she can kind of explore the posture and I can take care of her balance. And 5, as you inhale, come halfway up. Exhale, hands to the hips. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, inhale, arms to a T. Exhale, bring the hands back to the hips. Pull those elbows in. Inhale, look up. Exhale as you hinge and fold. Good. And you notice how they're taking the time to kind of get into the posture. Let the breath kind of be the wave that you ride to get yourself to the posture. Good. And think of kind of pulling the elbows together, and it's just going to kind of help you. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. Marina's far into the posture, so is Jed. Breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. 1 more breath in. Then exhale fully and completely. And since I'm here, inhale all the way up. Exhale at the top. Inhale, arms to a T. Exhale, interlock the fingers behind the back. As you inhale, open the chest. As you exhale, hinge and fold for Prasarita Padottanasana C. And think straight your legs, really press into the outside edges of the feet. And then once you get in there and you activate Mula Bandha, make sure the belly's activated for 1, 2, beautiful. 3, you can always take opposite elbows or forearms. 4, if fist is a little too much today. And 5, 1 inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands to the hips. Inhale, open that chest, look up, maybe smile. Exhale, take the 2 big toes with the peace fingers. For D as in dog. Perfect. And you notice how everybody's kind of settling into the posture and kind of finding their feet first, and then working up from there. That's a really important concept, is to build the posture from the floor up. So breathing in and breathing out. Think of the elbows out at 90 degrees and kind of lifting towards the sky. That's going to use your upper body to kind of help stretch the back of your legs. It's kind of this polarization of opposites here. We'll take one, maybe two more breaths here. And get that one out. We'll do one more inhale, one more exhale, then we'll get out of here. Where's the exhale? There it is. So when you're ready, inhale, look up. Exhale, hands to the hips. And then inhale all the way up. Exhale, inhale, arms to a T. Exhale, step to the top of the mat. Samasthiti. There you go. And we'll come into our pyramid pose or Parsvottanasana. So you can take reverse forearms or you can take reverse prayer. It's kind of up to you. But just step back, and it's kind of like you're walking down the street and you kind of see something and you're like, oh, I don't want to step there. And just make sure your pelvis is nice and square, and then try to